Pakistan's parliament unanimously approves resolution condemning blasphemous French cartoons. Islamabad. Both houses of Pakistan's parliament, the Senate and the National Assembly, on Monday unanimously approved resolutions that strongly condemned promoting Islamophobia and the act of publishing insulting cartoons of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The resolution moved by Senator Dr. Shehzad Wasim in the upper house strongly condemned the latest episode in France that has hurt the sentiments of Muslims around the globe. Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates. Muslims around the globe are incensed at French President Emmanuel Macron for his recent statements against Islam. The French president has referred to Islam as a religion in crisis and backed caricatures depicting Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, believing that such condemnable acts, especially when supported by governments, further accentuate discord, alienation, and divide between the followers of different faiths, stated the resolution. The resolution reaffirmed that the love for our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, is beyond any doubt a part of our faith, and no Muslim can tolerate such horrendous acts. Representing sentiments of the Pakistani nation and the Muslim world as a whole, the upper house expressed serious concerns over such vile incidents which are used to provoke Muslims worldwide. The house urged the global community to come up with a framework to stop the recurrence of such acts in future, and in doing so ensure peaceful coexistence as well as social and interfaith harmony among human beings. National Assembly unanimously approves resolution. Similarly, the resolution moved by Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi in the National Assembly expressed concerns at the highly disturbing statements and hate mongering against Muslims, especially by the French President Emmanuel Macron, justifying unlawful provocation and insult to sentiments of Muslims, reported Radio Pakistan. The lower house condemned the practice of blasphemy and of insulting Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It also condemned all acts of terror or violence in the name of religion or belief. The resolution deplored linking Islam and Muslims with terrorism, which goes against the international consensus and spirit of mutual respect and peaceful coexistence. To effectively address the issue of Islamophobia, the National Assembly urged the government to recall its envoy from Paris to work within the framework of the Organization of Islamic Countries for designating March 15 as the International Day to combat Islamophobia, and asked the OIC countries to boycott French goods. French envoy summoned to lodge protest over anti-Islam campaign. Earlier, Pakistan had summoned French envoy Marc Bretti to lodge its strong protest against the publication of blasphemous caricatures and French President Emmanuel Macron's anti-Islam comments. According to a spokesperson for the Foreign Office, a demarque was also handed to the French envoy by Special Secretary Europe Dr. Aman Rashid. The Foreign Office told Bretti that Pakistan strongly protested the publication of blasphemous sketches in France. A strong protest was also recorded over Macron's blasphemous statement after the caricatures were published. The Foreign Office said, adding that it condemned the French president's statement, accusing Muslims of separatism and vowing not to give up on blasphemous caricatures. Prime Minister Imran says Macron attacked Islam. Prime Minister Imran Khan had also condemned Macron, saying that the French president attacked Islam by encouraging the display of blasphemous caricatures. He said Macron could have shown a healing touch to deny space to extremists, but had instead chosen to encourage Islamophobia by attacking Islam rather than the terrorists who carry out violence, be it Muslims, white supremacists, or Nazi ideologists. Meanwhile, France recalled its ambassador to Ankara after Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan said his counterpart Emmanuel Macron needed mental health over his attitude towards Muslims. Erdogan had also said on October 6 that Macron's comments on were a clear provocation and showed impertinence. Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates.